Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating links. A link directs the recipients to an online landing page. They are reusable messaging content that can be included in broadcasts or single messages. To create a new link, go to the Workspace and click the Create Link button at the top of the screen. Enter a name for the link. Then, paste the URL into the link field. As you enter the URL, you'll see a preview of the link appear on the screen. You can customize links for tracking purposes or to create a customized user experience. When set up correctly, this could allow a visitor to your site to be greeted with a personalized welcome message. Just add a token, such as a first name, to the end of your link. Dynamic links allow you to control the experience based on the user's device. Desktops, iPhones, and Androids display pages differently. Creating a dynamic link ensures your recipient goes to the right landing page. If your link is tied to a limited time offer, you can set an expiration date. Enter an expiration link and set the expiration time in hours. When your links are ready, click Create, and they will appear on the list of links in the MessageWhiz workspace. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.